Adding the Solana network to MetaMask allows you to interact with Solana-based decentralized applications and manage Solana tokens within the MetaMask wallet interface. Here's how to add the Solana network to MetaMask. Install MetaMask extension. If you haven't already, install the MetaMask browser extension for your web browser. Access MetaMask settings. Open the MetaMask extension and click on the MetaMask icon to access the wallet interface. Access network settings. In the MetaMask wallet interface, click on the network selection drop-down. Custom RPC network. Scroll down and select the custom RPC option to manually add the custom network. Enter Solana network details. Enter the following network details for the Solana network. Save network. After entering the network details, click Save to add the Solana network to MetaMask. Switch to Solana network. Select the Solana network from the network drop-down to switch to the Solana network and start interacting with Solana-based dApps and managing SOL tokens within MetaMask.